Good morning, geometry guys. We are coming to you from my third period class today. We are using the integrated webcam, so don't forget hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. All right, so we're doing a little bit of our review today, and I'm glad we are reviewing because it seems like, well, this is the second class. Most of the classes so far, or all the classes so far, everybody's like, I forgot how to do stuff. All right, so for the first one, we're going to be doing the Jeffries method, okay? The second one, the traditional, all right? So it should look like this. Will somebody erase the dry erase over there that I did? Thank you. You want me to give you a shout out in the video?
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Matthew. All right, so this is -2. All right, that's our slope. Remember, that's M, and that goes right here. If you had looked at your notes from yesterday, you would have seen that. Now, remember, this is our X1, this is our Y1. 7 goes here, the 3 goes here. All right, the biggest question people have said all day, how do you do slope intercept? Okay, well, it goes a little something like this. You actually sit here and distribute and solve for y. Now, of course, it's something just like I would do, is to give you a y-intercept that's not on the grid. Womp womp. Okay, so, but we can still answer the questions. Okay, the y-intercept, this is 13. So that would be, this is 10, 11, bless you, 12, 13, would just be somewhere right here. All right, and then it would go down to the right one. Well, that would actually be over here at, no, 11, 1, because it's 13, 12, 11, okay? That math actually maths. And then if you want to know what the graph looks like, well, that's what it looks like. All right, our slope as a fraction would have been -2 over 1. This would have been down 2 to the right 1. All right. Now, yes, I kind of did that in a different way than I did yesterday because I followed the flow of the work. Y'all's is nice and neat and straight down like that. And as soon as I get my, hey, y'all know what y'all are letting get to you. Theoreticism. All right, so. Hopefully after I get my state money, we will be able to do some more fun stuff. All right, is everybody good with number 1? Anybody have any kind of questions how I got this or what? I just kind of guessed on this y-intercept, okay? Because it goes up to 11, okay? All right. Bloop. Now, this one we're going to do in the traditional method. That means this is 4 minus 7. And this is 3 minus 6. Well, this is going to be -3 over -3. And this is going to be 1. Right?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
So 4 minus 7 and 3 minus 6, -3 over -3, which is 1. Okay, so that goes here. This 4 goes here. All right, so now, good thing about this over here, now as I'm pointing to my screen, like y'all all know what that's about, is when you distribute by 1, it's just the same stuff. Okay? Yes, we know you're blue. Okay, thank you. So our slope-intercept would be y equals x plus 1. So our slope-intercept, that's it. Y-intercept is 1, so we could go to 1. Slope is a fraction. How do you write 1 as a fraction? Carefully, yes. 1 over 1, though. So this would go up 1 to the right 1. All right. So, and that's how we get that right there. All right. Is it making a little bit more sense? It's been a weird week. I don't think there's ever a normal week in high school or a normal day. There's something that happens all the time. What? It's the best part. Well, unless you're one of these people that, you have to have the same thing happen all the time, and then you kind of twitch. It is OCD Awareness Month, by the way. All right. So, number 3. All right. How many of y'all did not know that you were supposed to graph both lines right here? The first one given and the parallel one. Okay, one person. How many of y'all did not even get to the back? 2?
No, I got to the back.
You got to the back? All right, but you didn't? Okay. So, let's do this pink one first. We're given this, find the following. All right, so for this one, I need my B is 6. And my M is -2 over 1, which means down 2 to the right 1. That's actually how I write stuff for myself. Okay? It's not the same fill in the blank stuff, but it's the same process. Okay? Down 2 to the right 1, bam. All right. Hey, who's ever playing with your pocket change? Could y'all not? Appreciate it. Unless you want to make a donation to the King Ronnie Retirement Fund. All right. So, our parallel slope. Parallel is the same thing. So just like some of y'all know that you copy work off somebody else's paper, you're just going to copy this one right here. Some of y'all were like, how did he know? Some of y'all don't whisper very well. All right. So, we put in -3 right here. All right. So this is what happens. Because this is minus a negative, we have to change this to plus a positive before we move on. Okay, we got to clean that up. Some people, they have to rewrite the whole thing. They don't like saying plus plus. But that's okay. And this will be -6. And then we add 3. Totally different than what I did. Apparently I messed up in the first class. All right, so this one is going to be y equals -2x minus 3. All right. So our y-intercept for this one is B is -3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Our M, again, -2 over 1, which means down 2 to the right 1. All right. Got it. All right. See, they're parallel. They'll keep going. They'll never touch. Okay? People used to say, like, the double yellow lines, and they're like, well, sometimes it fades into, and then people try to pick it apart. They'll never meet. Okay? Just like that wall over there that has the stuff, like, when your next test is and how many days since someone almost hit traffic cone Carl, and this wall over here with all the joke of the day stuff and everything, they will never meet. Womp womp. Star-crossed lovers. All right. Y'all let me know when y'all get to Romeo and Juliet in English. All right. So, this right here, let's take care of this first. Okay? I am thinking about kind of tweaking this so you have to do kind of like what we did on number 1, do all that, and then get all the information for this. So we'll see. This, my B is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Then my M is -3 over 1, which is down 3 to the right. 1. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 1. All right. So, now, perpendicular slope. If this is our slope, -3 over 1, we flip it, so it's 1 over 3, and then we multiply it by -1. Well, that makes this positive. Okay, so this is going to be 1/3, goes here. Yep. So 1/3 x. All right. When we multiply 1/3 times 6, okay, that's the same thing as dividing by 3. So what's 6 divided by 3?
2.
2. All right, so y equals 1/3 x minus 1. All right, so we go over here to minus 1 because that's, b equals -1. M equals 1 over 3, which is up 1 to the right 3. All right, so up 1, 1, 2, and 3. So now we're finding these. This is also something we're going to cover later. When these meet, when perpendicular lines meet, they make 90-degree angles. Okay, so back when we were doing, like, this angle right here is 90, and all of the other ones are 90. We didn't. That's not part of the lesson. That's just a little extra, a little lanyard for you. All right. So, for those around the world, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, with the bell. Some of y'all needed. Never mind. Hit your own bell. All right. Good stuff. Good things. Roll Tide.
On the board.
I know somebody's like, hey, can we play Egyptian rat slap? I said, I don't know. Can we play like Norwegian reindeer tickle? I have no idea what that is.
Oh, wait.